beautiful day, man. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I finished work earlier than usual. I thought I was gonna be stuck there for longer, but it went smooth. I got gas in the car, like y'all saw. And right now, I'm about to make some content for my Instagram, YouTube shorts, because I've been slacking on the shorts. I literally forgot today is a holiday. It's Monday, right? It's a holiday. I completely forgot about that. I was trying to like get into the market and shit, and I was like, what the fuck, nothing's moving and shit. Then I realized like it's a holiday, so yeah, it is what it is. Another day of back testing. Damn, I got a mess right there. Another day of back testing. Right now, I'm gonna get to the content. After that, my breakfast, the same things as usual, eggs, potatoes, and all that delicious stuff, right? But yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done making my breakfast, and I'll just, same thing as always. Today is a working day. Tomorrow I work as well, but tomorrow is my last day of work. And yeah, I'm just very excited, very enthusiastic, because I mean, it's been a very good day, bro. It's been a very good morning, and I just gotta keep a positive mindset, right? I went on a rant yesterday on my Instagram because I'm exhausted and tired of people actually telling me that they want to start to learn how to trade, but they want things done for them, right? That's not how it is, right? I'm not trying to be an asshole, be arrogant or nothing, but at the end of the day, if you're not gonna put your part into this, I'm not wasting my time. My time is valuable. I have the free beginners course, and yeah, like I send them that direction. I'm doing the most. Like if you got questions, I'll answer it for you. But if you're asking me over here to put entries in for you, give you my like, no, bro, like that's not what I do, right? But besides that, let me get to it, and I'll catch you guys once I'm done making my food or when I'm making the food. I don't know, if y'all want to see me make the food, if y'all want to see me eat the food, if y'all don't even want to see the food, let me know. I'm just trying to switch the format like I said. But yeah, man, I love my ring light. I just got done recording the reels in this background. I would really appreciate if you guys show some love on Instagram, because I really want to understand what content do you guys want, right? Like I need some feedback from you guys. Like if you guys don't really fuck with, let's say, me doing this repetitively, if you guys want me to implement more stuff, like I said, I'm trying to add my back testing sessions. I've been saying this for a minute, bro, but honestly, like I don't really have that much time, and when I am really back testing, it's mainly at work, because like I'm on my phone and I'm just not wasting time. Like I could be doom scrolling on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, right? But I'm literally locked in back testing and just working on my strategies. Like I said, yes, on my days off is when I do the most, but like I'm not just trying to record when I do the most, right? I'm trying to bring you guys along this journey, show you guys what it takes. And man, I stay accountable. Like I eat the same foods every day. Trust me, it's hard. Like today I was resisting the urge, because I saw like a food truck. Man, I wanted some tacos, I wanted some good food, right? But no, I can't do that, because that was what my old self would fall into. I have my cheat days. I have the days where I allow myself to eat a fast food meal or something that I really crave, right? But some of y'all might not want to relate this to trading or anything, but like I tell you guys, it's a self-development journey. Like you do one thing is how you do everything, right? If I wouldn't keep myself accountable and I would just do whatever the fuck I want when I'm not on the charts, and I don't have that accountability, that consistency, once I come into the market, like I would carry on those characteristics. Like I tell you guys, trading is a self-development journey. Some of you guys might just see it as the money. Yes, the money is part of it. Yes, the money is what's going to give you that freedom, right? That's what we're all striving for. In my perspective, that's what I'm striving for the freedom that trading gives. Yes, it gives money. The luxurious life comes with that. The possibilities are endless to travel, to live the life that you always dreamed of, right? But for me, it's the freedom. Yes, financial freedom is not something that should be my main focus. My main focus should be my health, my relationship with my son, with my family, and everything, right? But if we are being honest, like money is the root of all evil. At the same time, money can fix your problems, but too much money can cause more problems. But like I said, like everything correlates to one another. If I don't keep my habits, once I make the money, like where are my standards going to be, right? That's what I'm saying. Consistency and accountability. You keep yourself accountable to a set of standards that are going to keep you in the right path. You're not going to lose your mind. You're not going to deviate back to your bad habits. maybe I don't articulate this as much with you guys, but this is the importance of trading. And yes, maybe I'm a beginner, or maybe it's taking me longer because I'm thinking like this, right? But like I said, my whole channel is based on self-development. Like, I really want to share with you guys my stories and everything that I've been through and that have made me think like this, has separated me from my peers. And this is why I really started YouTube, right? Because I wanted to express my knowledge and I wanted to help people see the different perspective. And trust me, I've had countless people in the past when I first started that told me that, and that just keeps me pushing, right? But like I said, I really would love your feedback. What do you guys really want to see from me? I'm going to try to like do the most that I can. If I have to change my routine for you guys to show you the trading recaps and all that stuff, like I said, I want to have some lives when I am on my days off, but like I still need my setup. Like, I do have my 2 laptops and stuff, but like I couldn't find the remaining equipment for my monitor. I don't know where I misplaced that stuff because I moved, so I don't really know where it's at. But yeah, like, let me know down below in the comments what you guys really want to see. Let me get to cooking because I'm hungry and I've been at it for a minute. But yeah, let's get to cooking and I'll show you guys what I make, and we'll go on from there because I still got some time. I'm still not heading to work till like an hour. But yeah, I'm about to edit my reels as well. I'll see you guys once I'm free. It look burnt, but it's not burnt. But yeah, it's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. And over here, I'm working on the content. I'm in a whole different outfit. It's a whole different day. It's Wednesday, but I didn't record the end of my day on Monday because I was struggling to figure out how to edit with CapCut. Then shit got hectic at work. I had to do more stuff. I just didn't have the time to record the ending of my day. But I want to touch back on accountability, right? Like I was saying, I gotta build myself to the man that is going to be able to withstand all the emotions that come with trading, right? Today, specifically today, right? Today is Wednesday. I'm gonna have a video out about what happened today. Stay tuned. But I had a perfect trade. I called the perfect trade on my Discord. I called it since the morning. Today I didn't work, and it was a nice 1 to 5. My initial bias was a 1 to 5 risk to reward, and it ended up being a 1 to 10, right? Yesterday night I was really thinking like, let me get another combine. Let me buy another challenge. Let me buy another prop firm challenge. And I didn't. I held myself back because I still got so much more to grow, so much more to build myself, right? I might get another prop firm challenge in 2 weeks, in a month, but if I would have gotten that challenge, and I know I would have gotten funded today, the thing is, like, I am coming from a losing streak. I've been through a lot of emotional trades in the past couple months, and I know it's not in my best interest right now to be trading in a prop firm, right? And if I would have gotten funded, that would have went over my head. It would have been crazy, right? And I just wouldn't be in the headspace that I am today. I wouldn't have had the same mindset that I ended up with today after everything that happened, right? I understand that I'm doing the things properly, but I'm going to keep pushing myself to stay accountable and follow my rules. I'm not trading no more for the rest of the week. I am going to be back testing. I am going to be looking at the charts, but like, I had a great trade, right? Let's say I've had 2 good days, because yesterday I called a good trade as well. You guys are gonna see. I'm foreshadowing. I might ruin it for you guys, but I've had 2 great days, right? Trading wise, like amazing days. And in reality, if I'm trading in my live account, if I'm trading in an actual account, that's all you fucking need. You don't have to be every fucking day trading, chasing the money, because you build that habit. You build that mindset of, okay, I need to win something today. I need to do this today. And it's part of the game, right? You gotta learn through experience. Like, I needed to have all these L's. I needed to go through all these things to get this experience. Trust me, I am in a position where I'd rather have as much money as I can, where I would rather be trading every fucking day, making as much money as I can. But chasing that brings that bad habit of greed, of being greedy, right? It brings that mentality of greed. It doesn't allow you to flourish and grow. That's why I tell you guys, we gotta keep ourselves accountable. I keep myself accountable every fucking day, and I'm growing. I'm trying to expand my knowledge. I'm trying to become a more diligent and better man. And it takes these sacrifices. It takes reevaluating and reassessing your mindset, right? My mental has to be straight in order for me to become a great profitable trader. In order for me to become a great man. That I was speaking on this on my stories, right? I want to become something great. I want people to look at me and say, that's a real man, you know? I want my morals and my standards to be at a certain level. I have a vision of who I want to become and who I'm going to become, because I've seen everything that I speak on, bro. I'm making it a reality, right? It's just a matter of time. Trust me, every good thing takes time. Right now, I'm outside a college campus. I came out here for some reasons. I might quit trading and just join college. Nah, fuck that. But I was really like, everything happens for a reason, right? Like I'm here at a specific moment in time for a reason. I see all the people walking around. I see all these things, and I start dissecting the people that keep walking in front of me, and it's like, they're here taking their time, doing their thing. And yeah, like if they want to become something in life, it's gonna take them a minute, right? It is going to take them a minute. I see people who carry themselves a different way. I see some people who are going to be successful. I see some people who are just drifting around and don't even know what direction they're going to take, right? But it really made me feel proud of myself, because I know where I'm headed. I have a vision, I have a plan, and I am becoming something that I always wanted to be, bro. It's not about the trading, but I always wanted to become something great in this life. And I never liked school. I honestly never fucking liked school. I only passed all my high school classes because I wanted to make my parents proud. And I mean, I wanted to play basketball, right? I had to have good grades, right? But I always thought school was a scam. In my own personal experience, like nobody from my family has ever been to college, except I think one of my aunts or some shit. But yeah, like I never envisioned myself going to college, living this life. But later down the road, like I thought about it, and I was just breaking my head, right? Because I am very smart. Trust me, like I had some good classes in high school. I had fucking pre-calc and all these crazy shits, right? I was always very good with numbers. But trading has brought that to me, where it's like, okay, you're chasing something that is actually beneficial. It's actually a skill set that you learn yourself. It's something that, I don't know, I feel like I'm taking the right path, right? Like I could have done anything else. Like I wanted to create content when I was growing up as a kid, as a barber and all these things, right? But things happen for a reason. And through this journey of trading, that's why I would die on this shit, bro. Trading is a self-development journey. You learn a lot about yourself. Trust me, I've learned so much about myself, about my fucking emotions, about my discipline, about my accountability. That's why I keep telling you guys about accountability. Man, before I even started recording myself, y'all can go to my old videos. Y'all can see the difference in my face, in the way I speak, in the confidence that I built. Like, trading really changed me into a better man, right? Because everything that I learned from this, I applied it to my personal life. Yes, if you want to become a profitable trader, you gotta control your emotions. And if you wanna, and the thing is, like, yeah, let's say I'll control my emotions in the charts, but then some shit happens back at home, or some shit happens throughout your day, and it's like you are a person that loses their temper quick. How is that gonna work when the trade goes against your way? How is that going to work when you are trying to stay patient with your trades? You're trying to follow your rules. You don't want to get frustrated, right? Like I said, everything applies to it. The way I walk and move outside of the charts, as a person, as an individual, behind the scenes, in my house, with the people that I love, with the people around me, reflects on the charts, reflects on my patience, reflects on my discipline. Everything that I do matters. It all correlates with one another. That's why I stand so fucking firm on this shit. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. Understand that part. You guys gotta fucking realize that if you are fucking up on the charts, if you are too anxious, if you're too greedy, if you can't fucking control yourself, it's because you got something that's fucking with you in your real life. Understand, all emotions are psychological, right? Everything, you're bringing your personal problems to the charts, and vice versa. If you have a horrible trading day, you have a bad mood for the rest of the day. If you have an excellent trading day, you have an amazing fucking day, right? You feel good. It's the same fucking reason. Everything correlates with one another. If you had a bad night, bad sleep, all this shit, you come into the charts all frustrated, all fucking foggy and shit, bad trade. It fucking deteriorates your mental. Don't fucking trade that day. Understand that. Yes, it's a technical game. Yes, all this analysis, all this shit that we see in the market, yeah, that happens too. But if your emotions are not in control, you don't see clearly, understand that shit. I'm gonna leave it on that, boys. Like I said, trading is as complicated as you make it. But one thing I stand on. You gotta keep yourself accountable. You gotta control your emotions in your personal life when you come to the charts. Because if you can't do that shit, you're gonna get cooked by them charts, bro. Trust. But I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll keep uploading the content, but I'm sorry for Monday's video. Like I said, I was just stuck at work. I had a lot of shit to fucking do, and I mean, I really couldn't find the time to record. But like I said, I'm going to keep uploading every single day. And I figured out a way to use CapCut, a VPN, bro. Yeah. But on that note, I'll see y'all boys in the next one.